Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to master Linux navigation using just ls, pwd, and cd. You'll see how to list files with details, instantly know your current folder, and move between directories with confidence. Stay tuned for quick, practical examples you can use right away. Often, beginners struggle to locate files or determine where they are in the file system, leading to wasted time and frustration. Without a clear method, navigating directories becomes a trial-and-error process. The ls command lists directory contents. Adding shows hidden files with human-readable sizes. pwd prints the current working directory path. cd changes your directory, accepting absolute or relative paths. Together, they cover the core of navigation. Let's see them live. First, we run ls to view all files with permissions and sizes. Then pwd tells us where we are. We'll change to /var/log using cd, run pwd again to confirm, and list that directory's contents with ls. A good tip is to always use with ls for complete visibility, and remember that cd without arguments returns you to your home directory. Avoid typing extra spaces after commands, and be careful with case sensitivity and paths. We've covered how ls, pwd, and cd empower you to navigate Linux efficiently. Practice these commands to boost your workflow. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Linux tutorials.